Guys, let's continue with this blind box. First is
Sabi ko tita, kapag isang taon na daw yung aso, sa dog years nila, 15 years old na sila. Hindi, 15 years old.
Ito guys, stickers.
Si Kaido, 24 years old na.
Stickers, guys.
Kasi 2 years, di ba?
Stickers.
2 years, what years?
Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Edi 2 years.
ito favorite ko, 5,
Bakit?
yan,
Or magpo-4.
6,
3, edi 28
Igo,
years old.
6, Igo 6,
Yung 4 ata, di ko alam.
7, 8,
Basta 28 na siya. Kasi kahit, kasi nag-vlog
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, ay, 18 kasi naka-cover ko yung face. 19, ayun na, 19 na.
Iyak niyan.
20, 21,
Nag-miss ko pa pala.
22, and the last one, 23. Guys, 23. Tapos meron pa dito. Itong ball pens. Yan. Yan, guys.
Yung dalawa,
Ball pen na color violet and ball pen na color blue. Okay, lipstick muna natin to at may isa pa tayong i-unbox. Let's go. Let's unbox this other one. Nahulog. Okay, hindi na ako nahulog. Lagay lang natin ito dito. And next,
medyo kasi nahulog si Byron.
next, this one, yellow blind bag. Ano yellow blind bag? First, ito.
Nakita na kayo ni Makoy.
Marker 2, marker 3, marker 4, marker 5, ball pen 1, ball pen 2, ball pen 3. Wow, guys, ang ganda dito, guys. Ang ganda nito, so ibababaw. Tapos, clean na natin. Tapos, guys, next, mag-workplace na workplace tour. Bye-bye. Peace. Like and subscribe.